Welcome to Schogini Toys' latest DIY project kit, an innovative car theft alarm using an infrared sensor and a pre-programmed CPU. To get started, first open the battery holder lid, insert 3 AA batteries, and switch on to test this ready-to-use, pre-wired kit. Place your finger near the infrared sensor LEDs and press the reset or arm button. You'll hear a few seconds of fast beeps, signaling that the alarm is gearing up. Now, the alarm is armed and will alert if you move your finger away. Next, let's position the infrared sensor on the side with the double-sided tape, ensuring it can detect a toy car. After placing the car near the sensor, reset or arm the alarm again. Once the fast beeps stop, your security alarm is active. Moving the car away will trigger the alarm, alerting you to the potential theft. What's more exciting? You can extend the IR sensor with the included jumper wires, making it perfect for fitting into a model security house, a fantastic project for your next school science fair. Get ready to build and learn with our car theft security alarm kit. It's all about creativity, learning, and fun with Schogini Toys DIY kits. Stay tuned for more innovative projects, and let's continue creating amazing things together.